Hi, Ben here. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add your VST plugins to FL Studio. First, let's click the Add tab, then More Plugins, and finally Manage Plugins. In order to add your plugins to FL Studio, you have to make sure that the folder path where they are installed shows up in this list. If it doesn't, we need to add it by clicking this tiny plus icon here. Make sure Verify Plugins is checked. This ensures that your effect and generator plugins get sorted correctly. When you're ready, click Find Plugins and FL Studio will scan the folders in your list. Now you can either look for your new plugins by scrolling through here, or search for them individually here. In order to get them in your Add tab or your plugin picker, you have to favorite them by clicking this star icon here. If you need them, you have some more options in this plugin tab here. You can change the plugin type or which category it should be in. Now, let's close the plugin manager. You should be able to add your plugins both from the Add tab or by pressing F8 to use the plugin picker now. If you have any questions or if something wasn't clear, you can leave a comment down below and I will do my best to help you out. Like and subscribe for more FL Studio tutorials, and don't forget to click the bell button and turn on the notifications.